Welcome to this beautiful mountain adventure. Let's explore these amazing mountains together. Wow, this mountain view is absolutely breathtaking. I could stay here forever. The clouds look so soft today. This place feels calm and relaxing. Nature is truly amazing. Look, an eagle is flying so high. It looks so free in the open sky. Wow, this waterfall is incredible. I love the cool mountain breeze. This wooden bridge looks wonderful. The fresh mountain water is so clear. This river is so clear and refreshing. Crossing these stones is fun. Let's keep moving forward. Look at this amazing mountain view. Nature is so beautiful and peaceful. Wow, a beautiful rainbow. This mountain adventure is unforgettable. Let's continue our waterfall journey. A short rest makes every adventure more enjoyable. The mountain view is absolutely wonderful. This trail is exciting to climb. Every step brings a new adventure. The view keeps getting better. This little cabin looks so cozy. The mountain air feels fresh and peaceful. I'm enjoying every moment here. These mountain flowers are so colorful. Nature paints every place beautifully. Let's keep exploring together. These colorful flowers are so lovely. Every step feels like a dream. Look at this beautiful deer. Wild animals should always be respected. Nature is full of wonderful surprises. A picnic with this view is perfect. This mountain air makes everything better. I'm having such a wonderful day. The sunrise is absolutely breathtaking. Every moment here feels magical. I'll always remember this adventure. Thank you for joining my mountain adventure. I hope you enjoyed every beautiful moment. See you in my next exciting adventure.